Hey everyone, back again, long time. This is a video that I want to do a long time ago, but I forgot. I just want to let the Acura RDX user or driver know 2019, 2021, when you put on reverse. Well, first, when you adjust your mirror, leave it on the driver's side. Don't switch it back into middle. Push it to the driver's side, left mirror. And when you put your gear in reverse, you see how your mirror moves? So it moves down so you can see if you park in a parking space, you can see the lines better. And then once you shift it to back to drive and move it back up into your regular position. So that's a cool feature. So you don't need to move your head, tilt your head, the mirror will tilt for you. So that's a cool feature that I might want to share with you guys. All right, thank you for watching.